Tired of your genuine reviews getting lost in a sea of questionable opinions? Let's make sure your voice is heard by verifying your new Google account. First, head over to your Google account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google service, like Gmail or YouTube. Then select Manage your Google account. Make sure all your personal information is accurate and up-to-date. Google uses is to confirm your identity and ensure you're a real person. Incorrect or incomplete information can raise red flags. Next, and this is crucial, verify your contact information at a recovery email address and a phone number. Google will likely send you a verification code to your phone to confirm you're not a bot. Look for a verify button next to your phone number and click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the verification code you receive. Finally, remember to write helpful and genuine reviews. Avoid generic praise or overly negative comments. Focus on specific details and your actual experience. This will help establish your credibility and prevent your reviews from being flagged as spam. And that's it. By verifying your account and writing authentic reviews, you're contributing to a more trustworthy online community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.